As the luxury segment of Toyota, Lexus offers a varied lineup of reliable, refined, and fuel-efficient cars and SUVs. One of the most popular Lexus models is the ES sedan, which looks like a crossover between a town car and a sportier sedan, at least with the recent model years. The Lexus ES is an excellent place to start if you're in the market for a good, reliable, used luxury sedan. However, not all Lexus ES models are reliable. Some years are more reliable than others. To help you find the most reliable Lexus ES year, we'll walk you through its more recent generations and determine which models are worth the investment and otherwise. Let's get to it. Number 1. 1997 to 2001 Lexus ES. This is the third generation of the Lexus ES and an excellent place to start your search for a reliable and affordable used luxury car. Recommended by 1997 Lexus ES. When the 1997 Lexus ES was released, it was praised for its excellent predicted reliability and manufacturing quality. Therefore, if you're buying an older Lexus ES, the 1997 model is a top-notch option because it's very affordable nowadays. Many Edmunds users were delighted with their 1997 Lexus ES, which lasted 200K plus miles, with one user claiming that they managed to rack up 300K miles on their 1997 ES. It does have some common problems, like the illuminating check engine light due to failed O2 sensor and ignition coil failure. With a price range of $5,581 to $9,044, the 1997 Lexus ES deserves to be on your shortlist. Recommended by 2000 to 2001 Lexus ES. Both 2000 to 2001 Lexus ES model years are also excellent candidates for the most reliable Lexus ES year. A used 2000 ES is the definition of value, as it offers a quiet and smooth ride, a roomy interior, and a well-optioned model. If you can find a relatively low-mileage 2000 Lexus ES, consider yourself lucky. The same applies to the 2001 ES 300, a luxury sedan that provides incredible comfort and ergonomics, excellent visibility, and hard-to-beat reliability. Many drivers have claimed they were able to put 200K plus miles on the 2001 ES. Number 2. 2002 to 2006 Lexus ES. The 4th-gen Lexus ES 300 is a well-rounded luxury cruiser with a nicely furnished interior and a comfortable driving experience. Reliability-wise, it's another winning generation in our book. Recommended by 2003 to 2005 Lexus ES. These three Lexus ES model years are undoubtedly some of the most reliable models of the company. The 2003 to 2005 Lexus ES has received the CR Recommended badge from Consumer Reports. With that said, the 2003 and 2004 models have a reliability verdict of 4.0 out of 5.0, with both having high customer satisfaction ratings as well. Meanwhile, the 2005 Lexus ES knocks it out of the park with reliability and customer satisfaction scores of a perfect 5.0 out of 5.0. Owners share the same positive sentiment about the luxury sedan, with some claiming it's one of the best vehicles they have owned. For sure, this is the most reliable Lexus ES year in the 4th generation. Number 3. 2007 to 2012 Lexus ES. The Lexus ES 350 becomes even better in its fifth generation, including its reliability. Worst years to avoid? 2007 Lexus ES 350. To be clear, the 2007 Lexus ES 350 is not an unreliable luxury sedan at all. In fact, it has also received the CR Recommended badge from Consumer Reports, with 4.0 out of 5.0 ratings in both reliability and customer satisfaction. We're only advising to avoid this model year because it received the most number of complaints over at carcomplaints.com, with many reports revolving around interior accessories problems. Also, it pales compared to the rest of the fifth-generation Lexus ES models in terms of reliability. However, if you can get an excellent deal for a used 2007 ES 350, we say go for it. Recommended by 2010 to 2012 Lexus ES. The 2010 to 2012 Lexus ES model years have been the crowning achievement for Toyota's luxury segment, as they're some of the most reliable luxury sedans available in the used market. Once again, these three model years have received the CR Recommended badge with a perfect reliability score of 5.0 out of 5.0. In addition, the 2011 Lexus ES was also awarded the Awesome Seal of Approval from Car Complaints, with only 200+ complaints that mainly were about interior accessories issues. The 2010 to 2012 Lexus ES model years were also favorably reviewed by customers from various websites like Cars.com, KBB, and Edmunds. Number 4. 2013 to 2018 Lexus ES. If you're looking for a newer used Lexus ES, the 6th generation is a stellar lineup, reliability-wise. Recommended by 2013 to 2018 Lexus ES. The entire 6th-gen Lexus ES was widely considered reliable while providing a comfortable ride, a quiet interior, and good fuel economy. All models from this generation have received the coveted CR Recommended badge from Consumer Reports, with every model receiving a perfect reliability verdict of 5.0 out of 5.0. Meanwhile, Car Complaints tell a similar story, with the 2013 to 2018 models receiving the least number of complaints and only dealing with minor issues. If we have to pick the best of the bunch, we have to go with the 2017 Lexus ES 350 because it offers a good balance of athletic performance, well-optioned features, and top-notch reliability. Number 5. 2019 to present Lexus ES. The newest generation of the Lexus ES retains its reputation for excellent reliability. Again, all of these more recent models have good predicted reliability scores, but they're too new to collect more information about potential reliability and longevity issues. With that said, the 2019 Lexus ES has a perfect 5.0 out of 5.0 reliability rating from Consumer Reports, so we recommend that you check this model out if you're looking for a newer, used luxury sedan. Nevertheless, if you're going to buy a used model from the current generation of ES 350, be prepared to pay near retail prices, since Lexus vehicles tend to hold their value relatively well. We recommend any model year from the 6th generation Lexus ES lineup, 2013 to 2018, as they are all considered highly reliable while offering a comfortable ride, quiet interior, and good fuel economy. Each model year has earned the CR Recommended badge from Consumer Reports and received perfect 5.0 out of 5.0 reliability verdicts.